Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Happy holidays to everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Today, what we're going to be talking about is my very first unboxing on my channel. So let's get started. It is an unboxing from Hermès, and I'll tell you a little bit about the backstory as we're doing the unboxing. So this year was the first year that I actually tried the brand. I received a beautiful gift of Oran sandals for my birthday. My birthday is in March, and they were a bit too big. So I did set an appointment because at that time in March, due to COVID, it was by appointment only in the store. So I set my appointment. I could only get the appointment for a few weeks later. So that was at, I want to say, I believe the 21st of March, I was able to get an appointment. I went into the store, and at that time I got the proper size of the sandal. And I happened to mention to the woman that I was interested in getting a handbag. At that time, she did not have anything to show me. So I told her what I was interested in. I told her a few things that I was interested in. And she told me at that time, she gave me her contact information. And she said that I am free to give her, a call or a text every week or couple of weeks just to check in and see the status of the item. So that's exactly what I did. And I would say in about mid-April, she gave me a call back and she let me know that one of the bags that I had requested had come in. So it all happened very fast, and let's get to the unboxing portion. Now, I haven't been on lately because I unfortunately had a horrible eye infection, so I am still a bit swollen, but it's passing and I'm living. So this particular bag, here's the proof of purchase, and I kept this bag as a birthday / Christmas present. So this is a true unboxing since we just had Christmas, and since it was a very big purchase for me, I did do it as a dual birthday Christmas. So here we go. Okay. So do you guys have any guesses? Okay, I'm gonna try to do this so that you can see the whole unboxing process. So bear with me. Okay. Now, here is my little key bell and keys. And here is the handbag. Inside the box, you have the little pillow. I don't know what this is, but it's something. We'll get into it. And the little famous raincoat. And I think this is actually, let's see. Okay, so it looks like a care booklet. So that's it right there. And let's get to the good stuff. Okay. And to reveal, now let me tell you, the smell is absolutely fantastic. It's kind of like that smell when you enter a new car and it just hits you in the face. It does have a beautiful leather smell, but this is my birthday / Christmas goodie. And it is a Birkin 25 in Togo leather in the black color. And I'm gonna give you a close-up. Here she is. Now, when I first saw this bag, she has her 4 feet on the bottom and she has gold hardware. When I first saw this handbag, I was taken back at how tiny it was. And I actually brought out a couple of my Louis Vuitton bags because I have never seen a Birkin 25 other than, you know, in passing. So when I saw it in person and I actually got to hold the handbag, I was taken back by how small the handbag actually was. So just for size reference, I wanted to show you guys how teeny tiny this little girl is. But this is my Alma BB in the My World Tour. And if you can see, she is not much larger than the Alma BB. So I was just a little bit shocked by that. I was expecting something, I know it's the small size, but I was expecting something a little bit larger. Let's go ahead and open her up. I haven't opened her in since I saw her at the store. So let's go ahead and get her all opened. And I know a lot of people, I have watched a lot of YouTube videos about the whole journey that people go on. And to be honest with you, I was not going to do all of that. So I did, and that you're not supposed to ask on your visit. I worked in retail for a long time, and I just felt like, why not ask? I mean, it's something that I want. So I said to myself, I'm gonna go in here the very first time, I'm gonna ask and let me see how it goes. The worst that she can say is, I'm sorry, I can't get it for you, and that's it. So I did. I'm taking off the felt, and inside the bag, they have this air paper, which is nice. That's what I use to store all of my handbags when they're in their dust bag. And inside of the bag, they have a flat slip pocket, and towards the back, there is a zippered pocket. So I do not plan on wearing the bag closed. I am gonna wear this handbag opened. And then here's another pretty much black hole. But here she is, and she is just a little cutie pie. Okay, let's put on her key bell and key. So there it is. And let me go ahead and get this all done. So I'm really excited to finally wear her and get some use out of her. Honestly speaking, I have not been putting all of my handbag collection into rotation because of the pandemic. And it doesn't seem like everyone's getting the love that they need, but I'm hoping for 2022, it's gonna be New Year, and I'm gonna start wearing my things and getting out a bit more than what I have been doing the past almost couple of years now. So I think everybody's pretty much been in the same predicament. We haven't really been going out as much, and we haven't been doing many things. I am totally okay with the hand carry or on the crook of my arm. And the 25 goes up to about there. But to be honest with you, I'm used to my handbags, and to be honest, the Alma BB just goes a little bit further. So, I mean, I'm okay with that. I like a hand carry bag just as much as I like my crossbodies or shoulder bags. I just find that hand carry or on the crook of your arm is very chic. So I'm very excited to wear this baby out. So there she is. That's a side view, front view. And I haven't taken any stickers off because this is the first time that I'm seeing her since I was offered her in April. So there she is. I do have a lot of fun videos coming up. I have a tag video. I also have to do the part 2 of my Alma collection. So that should be coming up soon. And you know, unfortunately life happens and things happen to us. So I'm sorry that I haven't been more active on here. But hopefully I'm hoping that things start to calm down and I become, you know, more regular doing videos. And I also have some nice goodies to show you guys that I did get for Christmas. So I will do a video soon on that. So here is my newest baby. And once I've worn her for a little while, I will definitely do a review or a what fits inside my Birkin 25 Togo leather with gold hardware. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. And please remember to like and subscribe. And God bless you. So until next time, you guys take care. And I'll see you soon. Bye.